Using shred from the command line. I need to securely erase some files. I have used shred on Linux systems before, so I looked around and found that shred is part of the coreutils package in macports. I did port install coreutils to install coreutils, but I still can't find shred in the command line. How can I get shred to work on my Mac's command line? If it matters, I'm using macos x10.7.5, Lion.
Port install coreutils adds a G prefix to the names of binaries, so shred is /opt/local/bin/shred.
OS X has a built-in command srm to securely remove files. See this URL. You can also use rmp to overwrite the files with sequences of bytes 3 times. With Sierra or later, macos no longer includes srm. But users can install it with Homebrew.
At user 495470's answer is correct for the question posed. The problem is neither SRM or shred really make sense for modern systems. This is mostly due to SSDs. Unlike magnetic disks, modern trim-enabled disks automatically clear deleted data in the background. SSDs also perform well leveling. This makes attempts to overwrite a file both futile, you'll be writing to a different physical location, and undesirable, it needlessly contributes to disk wear. All Macs that come with an SSDs have trim enabled. The other problem, the file system, specifically journal file systems, which can keep a copy of data elsewhere before it's written out. Even on magnetic media this can cause problems for both SRM. All users should be aware that SRM will only work on file systems that overwrite blocks in place. In particular, it will not work on the vast majority of journaled file systems. And shred? Shred relies on a very important assumption, that the file system overwrites data in place. Many modern file system designs do not satisfy this assumption. Exceptions include log-structured or journaled file systems. HFS plus volumes are journaled by default since macOS X v10.3. These days, the best way to securely deleted files is to enable file vault, so they're never write disk unencrypted in the first place, then just delete them and let trim sort it out. If, by stroke of misfortune, you're on a magnetic medium, have journaling disabled and, for some reason, can't encrypt the disk, your options are: use RMP, which overwrites files with 0xFF, then 0x00, and then 0xFF again. Install coreutils for psht, EA. Brew install coreutils and amp and amp secrets.txt. SRM has been removed from Homebrew dupes and Homebrew core, but someone's published a tap here that works. EA. Brew install col/homebrew srm/srm and amp and amp srm secrets.txt. Physical destruction of the medium smile.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.